Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall InstaBridge app on your Android, so you can remove completely the InstaBridge app from your phone. So if you install this app as your Wi-Fi map application, please you can try to uninstall it because of some reason. For example, you cannot use this app because this app keep asking you to become your default launcher, become your default browser, or if you don't want to this app, you cannot use this app. You have to make your InstaBridge become your default launcher. But if you already try it like default launcher, you cannot easily uninstall this app because there is a way to uninstall this app. The first way, you can close the InstaBridge and you can try to uninstall this InstaBridge from the Play Store. You can access Play Store and try to search the InstaBridge manually, and here you can try to open and uninstall InstaBridge from the Play Store. And also you can the second method, you can try to tap on your profile picture. Next, you can manage app and device. Here you can tap on manage and search for InstaBridge from here. You can scroll down and try to find the InstaBridge, this one. So you can tap on trash icon at the top of your screen, and one app will be uninstalled from your device. You can tap uninstall. Now InstaBridge is uninstalled from your phone. Now you can try to restart your Android phone to clear up some registry, also to clear up some debris from the InstaBridge. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.